Hello, we almost done, everyone. I'm so happy you're back, and I'm really proud of you that you're doing this journey with me, one by one, each scale, one at a time. And today we're having 6 sharps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So let's see which one are the sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You already know those. And right now it's coming the C flat. B, E, A, D, G, C flat. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. Okay? And which one is that? Oh my God, which one is that? It's gonna be E flat minor, E flat minor. E flat minor is the relative of G flat major, G flat major. So if you did not play that one, again, you will find it into the description. It's not hard at all. So please find the link into the description or go to the playlist and play that one first, because it's gonna be easy for you to learn the flats, right? So right now we're going down 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 half steps or 3 semitones, and we're gonna have this one: E flat F, G flat, A flat, B, C flat, D flat, E flat. So you have all this one flats, right? But guess what? This one is enharmonic with D sharp minor that we did it before. And again, I'm gonna try to put the link into the description so it would be easier for you to review. So you will play exactly the same as D sharp minor, though this one it's called with flats, okay? So check that one. If you did that one already, this one you play just the same. You don't need to practice anything. If you didn't, well, check that one as well. Maybe you'll find even more explanation as this one. But this one, it's again natural way. E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, and then C flat, C flat. This is C flat, D flat, E flat. Left hand. E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat. Go back, exactly the same one. For you to recognize where are the white keys. So white keys are those 2 white keys, and all the rest are black. That's the way how I would say. I would not count all the flats or whatever. I do know they're gonna be all black keys, right? But I will memorize. I will put like a mental note. These 2 are white keys to play. Natural way. Right now, let's go to harmonic. Well, harmonic right hand is pretty easy. Alright, so this one, instead of being D flat, you will play D natural. So it's gonna be this interval here to be played. 5 hands. This, it's a little different from all the others. Needs to be practiced. Do practice, please. So pause the video over here, do the right hand, do the left hand, slowly and steady, grounding, hit and release, you know, and relax after each key played. That's slow, okay? And then once you're getting better, you know, you can go to octaves or so, all right? So I'm just gonna go very briefly on the melodic one. It's, you know, it's really easy. So instead of playing C flat, now actually we're gonna play the C natural and then the D natural. So it's gonna sound like that. Going back. It's a beautiful scale, you know, E flat minor, it sounds really beautiful. You know, listen to the sound. It's a little hard to play it on arpeggio because they're all blank keys, right? But with practice, you can do it, and you can do anything you want with practice. So just a little bit more than others. Just practice a little tiny bit more every day, a little bit more, right? So I'm really proud. I'm proud of you. You know, making this journey together. We're having one more scale to go, and that will be A flat minor. 7 flats, oh my God, 7 flats, and we're done with all of them. So we did 28 scales, major sharps, minor sharps, major flats, minor flats, and next one, it's gonna be the next one. We will need some fireworks, all right? So have a great week. And take one step at a time. And again, congratulations on your, you know, on all your achievements. Very proud of you. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International, Inc. Music Academy International, Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months, and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas. And then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, you know, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm gonna have an entire series, like 30-40 videos just on technique way, how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon is a page, you will find the link below, in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me, one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.